I'd like you to help me with this problem. Would you please place a y over here?
Yeah.
Good. Now, the problem says to add a third of y. Okay, we also need a plus 1. Wonderful. Now all of that is equal to 9. Okay, so far we have the setup for the problem. Do you see any legal moves we can perform to simplify? Okay, what would that be? Tell me what you're doing before you do it.
I'm taking out one value and then I'm going to change it to an 8.
Okay, good. Why don't you do that? Okay, now the problem we have now, it's good that we have the cube by itself here, but here we have two colors. We need to have one. Wait, before you do it, tell me what you're going to do.
I'm going to take out this and exchange it for 3.
For 3 what?
For 3 thirds.
For 3/3. Okay, why don't you do that? Take out the yellow block. Exchange it for 3/3. Okay, now you end up with 4 blue blocks worth 8. So how much is each blue block?
2.
Now, do you know another name for the blue block?
Yeah, a third of y.
Okay, would you please write 1/3 of y equals to 2, okay, because we just said the blue block is 2. Now, we need to solve for y, so the question is this: if the blue block is 2, what would the yellow block be?
6.
How do you know?
Because 3 of the thirds fit on y.
Say it again.
Because 3 of those fit
3 of those fit here.
Yeah, and each of them is 2, so it would be 6.
Okay, please write down y equals 6. Okay. Bachachava, you're doing very nice. However, we now need to check the problem. Would you clear the board, clear the pieces, and let's set up the original problem one more time. So you have y plus 1/3 of y plus 1 equals to 9. And let's see if both sides have the same value. Tam. Okay, y is 6.
6.
And 1/3 of y is 2. So
8.
this is 8 and 1.
9.
And this side?
9.
Okay, please write 9 equals 9 for the check. Okay, you did a nice job with that. How old are you, Bachachava?
7.
7, very nice.